Hi everyone, in this video we'll be putting together the R8 foldable exercise bike with upper body resistance. R8 foldable exercise bike contains a digital health monitor, a large and comfortable seat with handles, cushioned backrest, upper body resistance bands. Its stationary bike's frame with 2 set angles fits most users. 8-level resistance range of this cardio bike meets all the demands of women to men. Unfold the main frame. Align the inner tube and group weld holes, then screw with ball pin. Connect front bottom tube, rear bottom tube to main frame and front support tube, using the nut 13 and curved washer 12. Connect seat support tube to the main frame. You can adjust the seat height according to your need. Secure the seat support tube with the knob. Connect cushion to seat tube with washer and nylon nut. Unfold the back seat tube. Connect the back seat tube with the main frame. Screw backpack to backpack frame with bolt and spring washer. Screw rear handlebar to seat cushion. Screw front handlebar to front support tube, align the holes, then screw with spring and curved washer. Screw the right pedal to the right crank and the left pedal to the left crank. The right pedals should be locked clockwise and the left pedal should be locked counterclockwise, and in a locked state at all times during exercise, otherwise the pedals will be damaged. The monitor needs 2 batteries. You have to connect these monitor wires with sensor wire. The monitor displays calorie scan, distance, time, and speed. It also keeps track of your pulse. The monitor will be automatically shut off if there is no signal coming for 4 minutes. Connect the monitor wires to the sensor wires. Final look. Thanks for watching.